Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best mocktail recipes is probably one of the most exciting and rewarding ways to elevate your home entertaining game, offering a delightful array of sophisticated and delicious non-alcoholic beverages that are perfect for any occasion, from casual get-togethers to elegant parties, ensuring everyone can enjoy a flavorful and festive drink without the alcohol. Number 5. Drinking for two, nutritious mocktails for the mom-to-be. Introducing a revolutionary way to enjoy your pregnancy. These mocktails are crafted with your well-being and your baby's development in mind. Each sip is packed with essential nutrients to support both you and your little one. Experience the joy of healthy indulgence. Discover a range of delightful flavors that are completely alcohol-free. You can savor every moment without any compromise. Whip up these easy-to-make mocktails in minutes. They are the perfect refreshing treat for any occasion during your pregnancy. From morning sickness relief to celebratory toasts, these drinks are designed for every stage. Enjoy this special time with delicious and nutritious options. What we like. This book offers delicious and healthy mocktails specifically designed for expectant mothers. It focuses on nutritious ingredients, ensuring both mom and baby are well cared for. If you are pregnant and looking for safe, enjoyable, and nourishing drink options, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The book is a great resource for anyone looking to make delicious and creative mocktails at home. It features a wide variety of recipes, from classic non-alcoholic versions of popular cocktails to unique and innovative creations. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making it simple for even novice mixologists to whip up impressive drinks. Number 4. Mocktail Party, 75 Plant-Based Mocktail Recipes. Discover a world of vibrant, alcohol-free drinks. This collection offers 75 delicious plant-based recipes perfect for any gathering. From casual get-togethers to elegant parties, find the perfect mocktail to elevate your event. These recipes are designed for every moment. Enjoy guilt-free indulgence with our carefully crafted recipes. They are made with wholesome, plant-based ingredients for a refreshing taste. Whip up stunning mocktails in no time. Impress your guests with sophisticated drinks that are surprisingly simple to prepare. Never be without a fantastic drink option again. This guide is your ultimate resource for creative and satisfying mocktails. Experience a new level of flavor and fun without the alcohol. These drinks are bursting with natural goodness and delightful tastes. What we like. Discover a wide variety of 75 plant-based mocktail recipes suitable for any celebration. These recipes are designed to be inclusive and cater to various tastes and events. If you love hosting parties or enjoy experimenting with vegan drinks for any occasion, this collection will be your go-to resource. What people say. This book is a great resource for anyone looking to make delicious and refreshing mocktails at home. The recipes are easy to follow, even for beginners, and the ingredients are readily available. It offers a wide variety of options, from classic non-alcoholic versions of popular cocktails to unique and creative concoctions. Number 3. Art of Mixology Mocktails Recipe Book. Unleash your inner mixologist with this incredible recipe book. Explore a world of sophisticated, non-alcoholic beverages perfect for any gathering. Experience the full spectrum of taste without the alcohol. These zero-proof recipes are designed to impress, offering vibrant flavors for everyone to enjoy. From casual get-togethers to elegant celebrations, find the perfect drink to suit any moment. It's your go-to guide for memorable mocktails. Crafting beautiful and delicious mocktails has never been simpler. Each recipe is clearly explained, making it easy for anyone to create stunning drinks at home. Impress your guests with creative and refreshing non-alcoholic options. This book provides everything you need to host with style and inclusivity. Looking for a thoughtful present? This recipe book is an ideal gift for friends, family, or anyone who loves a good drink, alcoholic or not. What we like. Explore the art of crafting sophisticated zero-proof beverages that impress. This book emphasizes creative presentation and flavor profiles for every event. If you are looking for elegant non-alcoholic options that are as beautiful as they are delicious, and want to elevate your hosting game, this is the ideal guide. What people say. This book is a great resource for anyone looking to make delicious and refreshing mocktails at home. It features a wide variety of recipes, from classic non-alcoholic versions of popular cocktails to unique and creative concoctions. The instructions are clear and easy to follow, making it simple for even novice mixologists to create impressive drinks. Number 2. Retrain Your Brain, CBT Workbook for Depression and Anxiety. Are you struggling with depression and anxiety? This workbook offers a practical, 7-week program to help you retrain your brain. Discover the power of cognitive behavioral therapy to manage your mental well-being. Embark on a journey of self-discovery and healing. Over 7 weeks, you'll learn effective CBT techniques tailored to address the challenges of depression and anxiety. Start building a more resilient mind today. This isn't just a book, it's your personal guide to understanding and overcoming mental health hurdles. With step-by-step exercises, you'll gain practical tools to navigate difficult emotions and thoughts. Specifically designed for those facing depression and anxiety, this workbook provides a structured approach to recovery. Learn to identify negative thought patterns and replace them with healthier ones. Harness the proven methods of cognitive behavioral therapy to create lasting change. This workbook empowers you to take control of your mental health and foster a more positive outlook on life. Move beyond just understanding and into action. Each week introduces new strategies and exercises to actively retrain your brain. See tangible progress in managing your symptoms and improving your daily life. What we like. This is a therapeutic workbook designed to help manage depression and anxiety through cognitive behavioral therapy. It provides a structured 7-week plan for retraining your thought patterns. If you are seeking a practical, self-guided tool to improve your mental well-being and cope with emotional challenges, this workbook is highly recommended. What people say. This book is a treasure trove of delicious and easy-to-follow mocktail recipes. The recipes are creative and use readily available ingredients, making it simple to recreate bar-quality drinks at home. I love the variety of options, from fruity and refreshing to rich and decadent. There's something for everyone. Number 1. Essential Bar Book for Home Mixologists. Unlock the secrets to crafting perfect cocktails right in your own home. This guide provides everything you need to know to become a confident mixologist. Discover the must-have bar tools and learn the fundamental techniques that elevate your drink-making skills. We break down complex methods into simple, easy-to-follow steps. Dive into the diverse world of spirits, understanding their unique characteristics and how they contribute to a balanced drink. Expand your palate and your repertoire. Whether you're just starting out or looking to refine your skills, this book is your comprehensive companion. Go from novice to impressive home bartender with confidence. Learn to create impressive cocktails that will delight your friends and family. Elevate your home entertaining with delicious and beautifully presented drinks. This is your go-to resource for all things cocktails. Master the art, understand the ingredients, and serve drinks like a seasoned professional. What we like. Master the fundamentals of home mixology with this comprehensive guide to essential bar tools and techniques. It covers everything you need to know to create classic and innovative cocktails. If you aspire to become a skilled home bartender and want to impress your guests with expertly crafted drinks, this is the ultimate resource for you. What people say. This book is a fantastic resource for anyone looking to create delicious and impressive mocktails at home. The recipes are easy to follow, even for beginners, and the variety of drinks is amazing. I love the clear instructions and the beautiful photography that accompanies each recipe. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.